Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 crypto oracle coins by market cap because it's hot. Trending is a trending category on CoinGecko, so I was like, why not take a look at it, shall we? We're going to take a look at Chainlink, followed by Ben, API3, UMA, Tellor, iExec, WINkLink, XYO, Nest, and then we'll stop with DR at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Link against BTC. We have been in a downwards trend. Link is one of the very few coins, right? If you were to tell me 3 coins that more likely than not should be returning to its all-time high, the 3 coins will be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink. So I think eventually you're going to see Chainlink break above the skinny pink line. We're still in a downwards trend. We're under the skinny pink line. We are within the confines of the falling channel. The question we ask is, when will the move be where we go above the resistance line? When? Okay, we're not entirely sure. Is there a possibility that we could still hit lower? Yes, of course. How would it? Yeah, again, if we start seeing mountains, right, over here, we noticed that there were mountains and eventually it broke lower, right? And it was a continuation down. Yeah, so again, could we still get, yeah, we could get mountains here. After we get mountains here, we could still hit lower, right, to another stage towards the downside, right? Again, at the same time, you can also argue that this is something like an ascending that's completing as we head higher, potentially, yes. But again, we're not entirely sure. So yeah, again, for Link BTC, it's just, we are just not entirely sure, but we know that more likely than not, eventually we're going to break higher. Link against USDT. Here we are for Chainlink. Any clear signs of a reversal? No. All we know is that this is a very clear accumulation level. We were like, what is this, right? You can see this in both perspectives, from a bullish lens and also from a bearish lens. From the bearish side of things, this looks like mountains, right? We zip lower, took out everybody's stop sell, and then we push it higher. It's like, hey yo bro, what's happening? And then after that, we zip lower again. So it's like, hey yo bro. At the same time, you can also see valleys. Yeah, this could be a bullish reversal. I suspect that the Chainlink whales are waiting for BTC to start a bull run first before Chainlink starts going up, right? But of course, Chainlink could also go up by itself. But again, we're not entirely sure. So we're proceeding very cautiously because we know that this could still be another level lower, right? This could be 5 waves towards the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can argue this is already 5, but it's not exactly that significant. So again, I suspect something like this could happen if we get mountains, right? If we get mountains. But at the same time, we could also start breaking towards the upside. Absolutely possible. So again, we're proceeding with caution for Chainlink. We don't have any clear targets yet, right? So yeah, we're proceeding very cautiously. But if you were to ask me, right, from an accumulation standpoint, would $6.80 be a good area to be accumulating? Yeah, I think anything under $10 is great. For the long run, for the long term, anything under 10 should be great. Is there a possibility that we could form mountain ranges and we still hit lower? Of course. Possibly to $4, right? If there's a real true breakout, if Bitcoin starts zipping down, Link is very likely going to follow lower. So is there a possibility that we hit to 4, maybe even 3? Yes, of course. Of course. So again, we're not entirely sure. This is not what I would consider as a bottom. Not confirmed yet. So yeah, again, we're trading very carefully with Chainlink. As much as we like Chainlink, I think it's wise to be very careful. But again, if you want to consider accumulating, I think anything under 10 would be great. $6, $5, $4, or $3, or $2, $7. Yeah, it's for the long run. I think Chainlink eventually is going to break into triple digits. So single digit to triple digit will be a 10x. Eventually. But there is a difference in the sense that if, let's say, you start buying things, let's say your average is $6.80. If we go to, let's say, $100, this will be an 11x. If we were to drop towards, let's say, I don't know about $3. Okay, let's put it at $4, right? $4.04. And if we were to head towards triple digits, this will be a 24x versus an 11x, right? It's twice more, but again, we're not entirely sure, so we're going to proceed with caution, right? Ben protocol, Ben against BTC. Here we are for Ben. Anything for Ben? And nope. Are we still in a downward trend? Yep. We tried breaking above the skinny pink line, but we got slapped back down. We even took out the lows over here. It's like, hey, yo, bro. Oh my god. Are we oversold? Yeah, we're oversold. Could we still continue though? Of course. Any clear signs of a reversal? No. Is there a bottoming? No. Ban against USDT? Again, what's happening? We know that this was a head and shoulders that came on. You saw this. You see this? You see this? Left shoulder hit. Right shoulder. Zip down. Continuation. Zip down. Look at this. Descending triangle. Zip down. Retest the resistance. Down. Could we still zip lower? Of course. Could we be close to the end? Of course. Again. Because this is ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 waves. We're very close to the end, if anything. Very, very, very close to the end. We are already under $1 though. We were under $1. You can also cut this across and call this... yeah, no, I think, yeah, we could still head lower. We could still take out these lows over here. Just a little bit lower, right? If you look over here, it feels to me like we're forming mountains, potentially, right? Again, if you cut across, this could be a descending, right? To complement this descending and a descending, yeah, more likely than not, right? But if we start heading towards a skinny pink line and we start forming reversals, right? Let's just assume that this was the area, right? A resistance area, because we retested it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, boom, we break. And then we retested it again, pew. And now this has become resistance. Support, once broken, becomes resistance. We've retested it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, ascending triangle, boom, we break back up. Ho ho! Something like this could happen, but again, nothing much for us to work with, so we're going to proceed with caution for ban protocol. API 3 against BTC. Here we are. API 3 using anything? Nope. API 3 against USD. Here we are for API 3. Anything? No. So I don't really like what I see because I feel like this is a potential mountain range in the making, a descending of sorts. Yeah, but the technicals are just quite ugly, right? We are aware that there is already buying pressure. You see these boys and girls? This is what you call insider trading, right? Just look at the volume. This is the Burj Khalifa. It's so obvious, right? So yeah, I think the insiders have started making moves. So yeah, but again, I'm not really comfortable with the technicals at the moment, so yeah, we'll revisit it if and when things start turning bullish, right? Once we see clear, high quality bullish reversal chart patterns for API 3. UMA against BTC. Here we are for UMA. Okay, UMA, can you see this? Mountains, 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 mountains. More likely than not, we should be breaking lower and sweeping up all of the lows. But we have a target over here though, at 410. We're at 514, so this is another 20% roughly, yeah. 20%. So more downsides to be expected. The trend has been down all this while, so more downside, boys and girls, for UMA USD. Yeah, another target fresh out of the oven for you at 89 cents. We're at $1.38, so I think we're going to breach $1 though for UMA because it's such a round psychological number. So I think we're still gonna breach $1. So more downsides to be expected. You can see that UMA has formed a beautiful chart patterns on the way down, right? Mountains, 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 down. Again, rising channel, down. Again, rising channel, down. Another one, down, right? We're forming mountains. Another leg lower for UMA USD, right? 89 cents we're expecting for UMA. So be careful by rushing the trade too soon for UMA towards the upside. Tellor Tributes. Okay, this was the star of the day, of the week actually. So TRB has been spiking from the bottom to the very top, 500%. It's almost like as if Tellor is a meme coin. Again, we like what we see for Tellor. Again, this is a value 1, value 2, value 3, right? If you get a value number 4 over here, this is like a double-headed inverse head and shoulders. Beautiful bullish reversal. This could be a huge breakout, right? But of course, no guarantees. We could just as well break back under, right? Volatile up, volatile down, as you can see from the previous moves. So volatile up, very volatile down, very volatile up, very volatile down, very volatile. So this is how Tellor Tributes work, right? The whales of Tellor Tributes are they're just crazy. Crazy up, crazy down. Yeah, I suspect there's another crazy down coming on. Again, we don't know how much higher it's going to go. We could take out and sweep up all of these highs before coming back down, right? So Tellor is a very volatile coin, but again, just because it's volatile doesn't mean it's tradable. So we would love to see high quality tradable chart patterns if possible. We're above the skinny pink line, so if we get a very nice continuation chart pattern over here, bullish one, right? So that's why we were saying if this could be a very nice valley for us, then yeah, that's it. This could be a huge move. Tellor Tributes could be going to the moon. Really, truly going to the moon. But again, we're not entirely sure yet. So we need to see the consolidation occur over here for TRB first, right? TRB against USDT. Again, this is so beautiful, right? We're above the skinny pink line. We've already swept up all of this, all the highs over here. Gone, 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 gone. All taken out. So yeah, we are aware that there's selling pressure, but at the same time, we were saying that if we could consolidate just like on the BTC pair for TRB, then yeah, this would be great, right? We're already above the skinny pink line, so a consolidation is preferred. A bullish continuation chart pattern would be beautiful, but again, at the same time, yeah, we could also get bearish reversals as well. Again, we're not entirely sure, so it's nothing much for us to do. Not at this point of time, so we're going to have to proceed with caution for Tellor Tributes. iExec RLC, RLC BTC, here we are for RLC. Anything for anything for RLC? Yeah, nope. It's just zigzagging down and up and down and up and down and up and down. Next move up, yes. Are we done going down? Could we still drip a little lower? Take out all of the stop sells before heading higher? Of course. Any high quality tradable chart patterns? No. All I know is that iExec RLC is in an accumulation for a very, very long time. 2,000 days 2340. Let's do the math. 2340 divided by 365. Hey, yo. It's 6 years, yo. It's been in an accumulation for 6 years. So if the iExec RLC whales play their cards right, I think there's a huge move coming. Right. Hopefully though, of course we could also break down. So usually accumulation is like an arrow that you're pulling it back very, 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 very far. And then once you release it, pooh, volatility. But the only question is down or up. Yeah. So again, we're not entirely sure yet. We would love to have some clearer clues, but yeah, we'll take things one step at a time. But nothing much for RLC BTC. RLC USD. Yeah, we have a target over here. It's not good, boys. It's not good, boys and girls. 25 cents, we're at $1. So another 75% decimation for RLC USDT. Right, this is a very slanted type of left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We've already broken out. So I think RLC should be heading much lower towards 25 cents. And you can also, again, I normally don't, but you can actually cut across this and you can call this a potential descending triangle in the making as we head towards 25 cents. Absolutely possible. So you gotta proceed with caution. I don't see any clear bullish reversals yet. Right. Could we switch bullish from here? Of course. How do we do that? Yeah. Value 1, value 2, value 3. Breakout. Woo! This would be awesome. But again, I still need to see the buying pressure first. And then we start the consolidation over here. Maybe in the third valley, we make a move. First valley, second valley, no, third valley, confirmation, yeah. But until then, yeah, we'll take things one step at a time. We still think that 25 cents is not out of the realms of possibility. WINk, win against BTC. Here we are for WINk against BTC. Okay, on KuCoin, it looks like it's a potential, right, ABCDE in the making, right? This could be at the very, very bottom of a wave C, and it could be a bullish reversal soon, right? If you look at WINk against BTC, right? If you look at it on CoinMarketCap, it's not really that obvious. On CoinMarketCap, we've already taken out the lows over here. We've taken out the lows. So I'm like, yeah, but KuCoin, we still haven't taken out the lows yet. So are we on our way to drop a little bit lower to really truly take out all of the lows? Or what? Yeah, again, we're not not entirely sure. So yeah, proceeding with caution. Win against USD on Binance. Yeah, we've been in a downward trend, right, ever since breaking the skinny pink line. But at the moment, it feels to me like there is a double bullish divergence, right? Lower low on the price, but a higher low on the MACD and a higher low on the RSI. You see that, boys and girls? There could be a rally coming on. Ta-da! You see that? There could be a rally. We'll probably hit the skinny pink line though if there was a strong rally. Maybe come back up here. We do something like an inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, then we break the skinny pink line, right? Yeah, again, we're not entirely sure. I don't see any clear bottoming yet, but this could very well be the bottom, right? 622. Could we still hit lower? Of course. Could we take out these lows? Of course. Again, we're not entirely sure. We don't have any clear high quality targets towards the downside, so we're going to proceed with caution for WINkLink XYO Network, XYO, BTC, KuCoin. So for XYO, BTC, for KuCoin, yeah, I suspect we're going to hit lower. I honestly think we're going to hit lower. At least to 618 though. That's my guess. Again, it's pure guessing. So 618 will be around this area. Right, about 388 or 1001. So another potentially, oh boy, 66%. Yeah, no, I don't have any hard targets. So we're going to come back to XYO eventually, but not at the moment. KuCoin. So XYO, yeah, continues dropping. XYO on Coinbase is already past here. So it's like, hey, yo, bro, why is the price so different? Sorry, XYO USDT on Coinbase and on KuCoin, right? XYO USDT. We look at it on Gate. See, we've also taken out the lows here. Right, so I suspect the whales are just going to make it uniform and take out all the lows over here. So I think we're going to hit lower for XYO. Doesn't look good to me. Nest against BTC. Here we are for Nest. Ayo. Nest USDT. Gate. So for Nest, yeah, this could be a very nice squeeze coming on. I don't like this selling. I don't really like it. Yes, we're severely oversold. I would prefer this to happen first. And then I would write the continuation, right? Because this will be the wave 1. And wave 1 is confirmation. Will we get it? Yeah, again, we're not entirely sure. We're still under the skinny pink line. So the bearish trend is still on for Nest protocol. So yeah, I'm not going to be rushing into anything. We could still hit down to take out the lows over here. Any clear signs of yeah, no, not yet. So we're going to have to proceed with caution for Nest protocol. DIA against BTC. Here we are for DIA. Anything for NIA? Not really. Again, I don't really like this very clear support line. Looks like a consolidation. Not exactly a bearish continuation, and not exactly a bullish reversal as well. But we're severely oversold though, which means that a strong rally could come anytime, right? But of course, we could still continue heading lower. Again, we're not entirely sure for DIA BTC. DIA against USDT looks nicer. Why? Double bullish divergence. You see this? Lower low on the price, higher low on the MACD, higher low on the RSI. Ta-da! Double bullish divergence. Could we still hit lower? Of course. Of course. But could we be breaking out? Yeah. There could be a strong rally coming on. But again, doesn't look like a bottom to me. Not exactly that confident. Yeah, no, not entirely sure. This was a very bearish move, right? Mountains, zip up, take out everybody, stop by, zip back down, right? Again, look over here, mountains, zip down, mountains again. Yeah, we could be heading lower though. I need to see valleys, right? Potentially, this could be the valley, right? Coming on, valley. Yeah, come back up, hit the resistance, and then we cover this and we call this a valley. Then we get another valley over here. Oh, this would be beautiful. A very slanted type of an inverse head and shoulders. This would be nice, but yeah, again, nope. We could be heading lower. No confirmation yet, so we're gonna have to proceed with caution for DIA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10 oracles TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.